Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chavda. In this Laravel project development series, today we are going to learn how to install Laravel project in Windows 10 using Composer. Then let's start. In this series, I am going to teach you all the basic concept of Laravel project such as installation, configuration, admin panel and front template design, and customization, model, controller, view, migration and many more things, which is very useful for you and your better future in Laravel development. So let's start. How to install Laravel using Composer. So first of all, we start our Visual Studio Code. Then after, select any appropriate drive where you want to install your Laravel project and run command in the terminal window, that is Composer create project, then plus hyphen hyphen preferred dist, then after Laravel slash Laravel, and then give the directory name where you want to install your Laravel project. Here I passed directory name as a project. Now press enter, and all remaining works are done by Composer. Actually, when you want to install Laravel project, you have to first install Composer. Composer is one kind of dependency manager which are used to manage dependency, PHP dependency for your Laravel project. So when you want to install a Laravel project, there is the two things you need to install before installing project in your system. One is a PHP and another one is a Laravel. So you can see that the Composer is currently installing the libraries which are used in Laravel project. So we have to wait for some times while Composer installing Laravel project. It's approximate take 2 to 3 minutes for installing these libraries. It's depend on your internet connection that how much time Composer will take. That's it, our project install. Now for entering the directory, give cd, then after folder name project, then after run the command for execute our project php artisan serve. You can see that the Laravel has start it on development server. Now just press Ctrl and click on the URL. You can see that the output is in your browser. That's it. The Laravel project is completely installed and it's working fine. In our next video, we are going to learn how to set up admin LT theme for our admin panel. So thank you very much for view my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.